Some of the challenges in the digital realm that warfighters face, communication, comms always going down, is an issue for warfighters. Not only that, once comms is up, how do you protect that communication? Then there's also the signal management. How do you protect your troops from being targeted? The new systems that what we're putting together are looking to fix those things. And we need to test those systems in those kind of environments to verify they do. When the scenario changes, we're able to change as well and execute our mission effectively. Comstrat Marines from all over the 2MEF AO were brought in for the exercise so they can be provided a real life scenario, combat scenario in which they can exercise and practice their required capability. That means they need to be able to take photo and video of combat scenarios. The issue is that these Comstrat Marines get attached to infantry units or all sorts of units or MOSs in the Marine Corps. And if they don't get training to be able to survive in those scenarios, we're putting them in danger. And that's what I want to prevent.
Tango, Delta, 9.
They can be more of an implemented capability as opposed to a burden to those other units. Timeliness is a very, very important thing. The public needs to know right away. If a Marine captures an image and they hold on to it, the public doesn't know. So now what I want to do is bring speed and quality together so that the commander and the public gets to see. The enemy may say something about what we did that is different than what the reality is. But if a Comstrat Marine captures this imagery and delivers it right away, we can contradict or fight back against propaganda and correct information in the information environment.
The Marines out there, they got to be able to be expeditionary. They got to be quick, fast. To be able to go out any climb a place, to be able to be effective. Having boots on the ground, instantly been able to stream or send images back for review or release makes it to where it's a lot easier to control the narrative or to pass the truth of what's on the ground.
They need to be able to deliver the imagery to the commander right away, possibly in a communications degraded environment in which they don't have access to the internet. We need to restrict that and prevent enemy from capturing or getting it from us. So we're going to test a system that Marco Systems is bringing in, and we're going to give the feedback, what worked, what didn't work. If it worked, how did it work, how well did it work, how fast was it, and what restrictions we faced through that. So all that data is going to be very useful for the engineers to modify, improve it, and give us back a system that will be fully functional.
I've been able to be around 2 other legacy systems. You know, you're looking 50 plus pounds, 100 pounds, 3 crates, trying to get a 10% degree of satellite service, so forth, so on. They were great for their time, but as technology advances and gets smaller, it makes it a little easier to be able to do certain things. Currently, we are testing one of the technologies right now, Starshield, in a field environment. Literally have it set up in 5 minutes. You're going from be able to maybe have one person submit imagery on using the system in comparison to having maybe 10 or 15 Marines using the same device. It allows them to be in the line, infantry line itself, like what we typically would be, and then how fast are they going to be able to get the imagery out.
I saw Comstrat Marines being utilized as media, being treated as outsiders. But these are Marines that bring weapons and the camera. Their mission might be to take pictures, but they're able to fight back. They're able to defend themselves and those Marines around them. So I needed them to train like that.